Hey all, in this video I'll introduce you to the Quick Access Toolbar and show you how it can speed up your productivity. On the top left hand side of your screen above the ribbon toolbar, you'll have what is known as the Quick Access Toolbar. By default, it only has three buttons in it, a Save button, an Undo button and a Redo button. However, these can be customized to your own preference. As you may have noticed, I have removed the default commands and put my own. This is because save, undo, and redo can be done via easy keyboard shortcuts. But don't worry, I have an upcoming video in this first chapter that takes you through some of those most common shortcuts. For those that are wondering the commands I have put, they are paste special, paste values, filter, and remove duplicates. For me, this toolbar is the perfect place to add commands that you use most often, and saves you having to search for them through the various tabs. For example, say I use the pivot table command a lot. Instead of having to manually go to Insert and then try to find the pivot table, I can add this command to the Quick Access toolbar, and that will always be present at the top of the screen. Just right-click the command and select Add to Quick Access toolbar. Now the command is always at the top of the screen and you will have very easy access. Another method for adding commands to the Quick Access toolbar is to select this arrow icon. You will then get the option to add a selection of commands. And if the command that you want is not on the list, you can select the More Command option. Here we can search through popular commands, all commands, or commands on specific tabs to add them to our toolbar. So let's go back to the popular commands and add the Cut command. We can also arrange the order of the commands within our toolbar to our own preference. As you can see, we can move the Cut command to second in the toolbar. The changes take effect when you hit OK. And finally, we can remove any commands we do not need by selecting the command on the right-hand side and clicking the Remove button. You can also remove commands from the Quick Access toolbar by right-clicking and selecting Remove from Quick Access toolbar. One thing I often use with the Quick Access toolbar is the ability to shortcut actions. When you hit Alt, you can quickly select one of the commands from the top by hitting the numerical button that corresponds to the command you want. So for example, if I wanted to filter, I can press Alt plus 3 and that will select the filter command. I will show you an example here by highlighting the cells in row 7 that I want to filter and then hitting Alt 3 on the keyboard. You can see that the filter has been applied and you can select the data you want to include or exclude. So there you have it, a quick intro into the Quick Access toolbar, which I would definitely recommend you use.